Leave it there, sweetie. Put your brush in. Put your brush in the paint. Good job. Yep, brush. And then that goes on your paper. Good girl. Beautiful.
Many citizens of Los Angeles live inside their cars for a significant part of their daily routine.
What's that? Water. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And what's that? What's that? Leave that there, sweetie. What color is that? Where's red? Where's red? That one's brown. Can Kai say brown? What? Black? Black? Brown. Good girl. Where's your green?
I head to West LA to meet my friend Jerry Stahl.
Water.
Without ever really having to go there. So you live in
Is it dirty?
I've managed to survive on the periphery.
Put your brush in the paint.
Why we're not eating at Sparrow or the Ivy, but Bosco's Chicken and Waffles, an institution of the under LA.
What about your paint?
Bodyguards, stuntmen, and those on the fringes.
You need
like
some
Jerry,
paint on
who
there.
went from writer of Penthouse Letters to successful screenwriter. Then, of course, he screwed up, big time. The result was a book and a movie about his screwing up called Kermit at Midnight. He's since turned himself around, becoming even more successful.
Okay, and then you put that on your paper.
Place they call the community. So
Good girl. Good job, sweetie.
years ago, yeah, I mean, I gotta go to the Stymie's Kiss. I'm definitely doing that. Stymie's Kiss. Stymie is a terrifying heap of tomatoes, gravy, and
Is that Kaya's book? Is that Kaya's notebook?
and then I'll just have chicken and waffles, whatever that is. Chicken and waffles.
Kaya, what does a parrot say? And Kaya, what does a horsey say? Good girl. What does a rooster say? Yeah, cock-a-doodle-doo. And how old is Kaya? Oh, let's see if you can do that better if you don't have that in your hand. How old is Kaya? Huh? Yes, good girl. On? What on? Yeah, are you painting? Yes, Kaya painting? Can you tell the camera bye-bye?
Bye-bye.